Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's prepare our rabbit. Take your 2½ pounds of rabbit and cut it into serving-sized pieces. Think about the size of a chicken thigh. Make sure your cuts are clean and even, which will help everything cook uniformly. You'll want pieces that are roughly the same size, about 2-3 inches each. By the way, since many of you ask about this kitchen knife set that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the rabbit pieces and sprinkle them with 1 tablespoon of Creole seasoning. Brown them until they develop a beautiful golden crust. You'll know they're ready when they easily release from the pot bottom, usually about 4-5 minutes per side. Time to deglaze. Pour in 1 cup of dry red wine, scraping the bottom of the pot with a wooden spoon to release all those flavorful brown bits. This is where the magic happens. You'll hear a satisfying sizzle and see the wine bubbling as it picks up all that wonderful flavor from the bottom of the pot. Let's build our flavor base. Add your 1/4 pound of sliced andouille sausage to the pot, followed by 2½ cups of chopped yellow onions, 1 cup each of diced carrots and celery, and 1 large diced red bell pepper. Cook until the vegetables start to soften and the onions become translucent, about 5-7 minutes. Now for the earthiness, add 3 cups of mixed wild mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of minced shallots, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic to the pot. Let these cook until the mushrooms release their moisture and start to brown slightly, about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll notice a wonderful woodsy aroma filling your kitchen. Time to bring everything together. Add 1/2 cup of pureed tomatoes, the remaining wine, 2 cups of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano, 3-4 bay leaves, and 5 crushed juniper berries. These ingredients will create a rich, complex broth that's going to make this stew absolutely incredible. Return the brown rabbit pieces to the pot, making sure they're well submerged in the liquid. If needed, add a bit more stock or water. The meat should be completely covered to ensure even cooking and prevent any pieces from drying out. Bring everything to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to maintain a steady simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until the rabbit meat is tender enough to easily pull away from the bone. You'll know it's ready when you can easily pierce the meat with a fork. For the final touch, remove those bay leaves. Nobody wants to bite into one of those. Then, taste and adjust the seasoning with fine sea salt and black pepper. The stew should have a rich, balanced flavor with the wine and herbs coming through nicely. Let it rest for about 10 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to settle. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.